Do you pay too much in railroad retirement taxes? Where does the money go? Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today we're going to talk about what comes out of your paycheck when you receive it from the railroad, right? So payroll taxes are what we're talking about. And then what we'll do is we'll compare it to Social Security, right? Because you always say, oh, I pay so much in taxes, right? You hear that a lot. So Social Security, right? Tier 1 and Social Security are the same, or basically the same thing, right? You pay 7.65% of your off your income up to, well, you pay 6.2% up to $147,000, and then the Medicare tax kicks in, which is another 1.45%, no limit on that. However, when you get up to $200,000, they tack on another 0.9%. All right, so that's the Tier 1 / Social Security tax. And then the railroaders have Tier 2 tax, or as I like to say, contribution. I'll do another video on why I call it that later. But 4.9% on earnings up to $109,200, okay? So that stops, that Tier 2 tax stops after $109,200. As a sidebar, the railroad or employers pay 13.1% on each employee, okay? And you guys kick in 4.9%. So let's go through an example and see what that looks like. So an employee making $147,000 a year on the railroad pay $11,245.50 on Tier 1, and then Tier 2, $5,350.80. Remember, that stops at this number, $109,200. So their total tax would be $16,596.30. As opposed to somebody in Social Security, they're going to pay $11,245.50, all right? So there's your difference. It's all in Tier 2, right? And you're saying to yourself, you know, that's not right. Well, Tier 2, I'd pay that tax all day if I could. I have a lot of videos on why I really think Tier 2 is great. And as additional note, railroads, when you look at each employee, on an employee making $147,000, the railroad is actually paying $25,550, significantly more than even the employee. And that's because of the Tier 2 that they're kicking in also. So that gives you a little hint on why I like Tier 2. If somebody's going to carry a lot of the freight versus what I'm putting into it, you know, sign me up for that. So I hope you found this helpful to understand what your payroll taxes look like. All right, if you need any help about that, feel free to reach out to me. Put something in the comments section. I'll comment on that, give a little more guidance on that. Feel free to reach out to me if you want to go through the boarding for railroad retirement assessment. Not sure how much longer I'll be doing those, but check those out. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to get the latest. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.